Twilight Sparkle here, and I'm baking with Miss Dazzlecake. So, Dazzle, let's get to it. Miss Dazzlecake to you, young lady. Now, let's get started. Come on, assistant. Daughter? What? Hey! Awkward. Okay, so let's get baking. Step 1. Have all of these tools and an assistant. Again, still here. At least have the baking tools. An oven, a table to set your tools on, and a table to eat at. And you always have to have a chef. Okay. We're going to make muffins! Yay! Let's do that again. Muffins! Yay! Ouch. Muffins! Yay! Again. Muffins! Yay! Yay. Yay. Alright. Step aside. I know how it's done. So we're working and we're working. Okay, so the cake batter goes, doesn't the cake batter go in the spoon thingy? Who's the chef? Who has the magic? Fine, we'll both bake different kinds. Okay, that's fine with me. Here's, your time if you want to, do whatever and stuff like that. Okay, I suppose I could try this. No, it's not supposed to. Carry on. Ugh. Hope she knows how this is gonna turn out. Like crap. Like crap, I bet. She sure does suck at cooking. Whatever. Turns out pretty good. Looks like cake batter. It may not turn out like muffins. After Twilight did her muffins. There. Oh, man. Well, what is that supposed to be? Muffins? What is that? Tastes like crap. It can't be that bad. Okay, I'll try again. With fewer steps. Well, no. I'll try again. And crap goes away. The crap goes away. Do. Okay. Yeah. Let me show you how the pro does it. Yeah, you're the pro. Hey. Try this again. So she said, this first. Mix it up. Pour it in there. And open up this here. Take that, put it there. And huzzah! It's baking. Twilight made her muffins. She's getting them out of the oven. Huzzah! Muffins. I said grape, not strawberry. These taste worse. They look fine. Looks can be deceiving, young lady. Try for yourself. Spike, I need your opinion on something again. Every time I give you my opinion, you always pick the opposite. Come here. Taste them. Not bad. Tastes like worms. Poop. Oh. Ew. Nasty. Hope I get this right soon. Let me show you how the pro does it. Right, the pro. I said you have to mix this stuff up first. You have to get some milk from, the case of... There. Oops. Baking necessities in the case. Who cares? Get away. Now this is gonna be tasty. Miss Cake bakes hers and gets them out. And her muffins look normal. That's how it's done. Boom. Finally tastes good. My taste buds are amused. Good. What is this again? Grape. I'm allergic to grape. I'm allergic to grape. Now my tongue is stuck like this. Darn it. Maybe Spike will get the same reaction. He won't level. Now, Spike will have the reaction, but lasting forever. Spike. Not bad. Oh, Twilight. Ooh. Well, still good. And that was baking with Miss Dazzlecake. See you next time. Miss Dazzlecake, to you, young lady.